everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Think you've seen everything Windows has to offer? Well, think again. Windows is packed with powerful hidden features that most people never use. But once you discover them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So in this video, I'll show you 5 secret features in Windows that will help you record your screen, multitask like a pro, manage your clipboard history, and even unlock a powerful hidden calculator. So let's get started. Now the first feature is the built-in screen recorder. So if you want to record your screen without installing anything, then Windows has a built-in screen recorder called the Xbox Game Bar. So in order to use that, you would need to open any app which you want to record like Chrome, Word or a game. You can even use that to record in VS Code with that, but you cannot use that on your Windows desktop or File Explorer. So just go ahead and open the app which you want to record. And now in order to use it, you would need to press Windows plus the letter G, and there you have your controller bar with your capture window just on the left. So now in the capture widget, just click on the record button, or you can even just press Windows plus Alt plus R to start recording instantly. And as you can see here, my recording has started. And here you will see a tiny floating bar with a timer and a stop button. So once you're done, then just click on stop from here, or you can even go ahead and press Windows plus Alt plus the letter R to stop it. And there you go, your recording has been completed. So now from here you can access your recording by going to See My Captures option, and from here you can access your recording. Then from here, if you just click on the open file location, then click on continue. And now this is where all of your recorded files are stored. This feature is great for tutorials, gameplays or walkthroughs, and you do not need to install any extra software. And now the second feature is clipboard history. So have you ever copied something and then accidentally copied over it? Then Windows has a hidden feature that saves your entire clipboard history, not just the last item. And here's how to enable it. So just press Windows plus the letter V, and well, there you go, this is your clipboard history. It will show you everything which you've copied, text, links and even images. You can even go ahead and pin your frequently used clips or paste your older content and even clear the history when needed. It's super useful if you're doing research, coding, writing or just managing a lot of copy-paste work. Now the third feature is virtual desktops. So if you ever feel like your desktop is a mess of open windows, then virtual desktops let you organize your workflow by creating multiple desktops. So all you need to do is just press Windows plus the tab key to open the task view. And then from here, just click on this plus option. And there you have your new desktop. So if you just click on that, now from here, as you can see, all of my open tabs are gone. This is perfect if you're multitasking or just want to keep your workspace clean. You can even shift between your desktops by just pressing Ctrl plus Windows plus the right or the left arrow key. And well, there you go, we are back again at our old desktop. So you can now open different apps in each desktop and even rename them in Windows 11. And now the fourth feature is the hidden start menu. Now most people just left click this start button, but there's a power user version of the start menu hiding in plain sight. So if you just right click on your start menu or even press Windows plus the letter X, then here you'll see a quick access menu with your task manager, device manager, terminal, apps and features, system settings and many more. So if you're a techie or just want quicker access to essential tools, this menu is a huge time saver. Now our next feature is the hidden modes in Calculator. So do you think that the Calculator app is just for basic math? Well, then just go ahead and click on this menu icon. From here, you'll find powerful modes like the scientific section for trigo, logs, and advanced math problems. Then the programmer section for binary, hex, and bitwise operations. And then you have this date calculation to find the difference between two dates. Now, if you want to convert the value of one currency to another, then you even have this section. So just go ahead and choose the first currency, and then from here the second one to which you want to convert to. Let's say Korean won, and then go ahead and add in your value. And there you go, you now know the value of $80 to Korean won. Well, so now you do not need to search Google for conversions. It's all built in just right here. Now, here's a bonus feature. If you just press Windows plus the dot button, then here a full emoji and GIFs panel will pop up. It works in Notepad, browsers, and even file names. So if you just pick a file and if you want to rename it or add a emoji to it, then just click on Windows plus the dot button. And then from here you can just go ahead and add in an emoji. And now if you just press on enter, there you can see we have our emoji in the file name. Well, so that was all of the hidden features in Windows which you need to know about. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.